In this presentation, we are going to be talking about the internal components of Central Processing Unit. Components of Central Processing Unit. The CPU is essentially the brain of a CAD system. It comprises an arithmetic and logic unit, a control unit, and various other registers. In this slide, we are going to be talking about the functions of a CPU. Fetch. Each instruction is stored in a memory and has its own address. Decode. All programs to be executed are translated into assembly instructions. Execute. Do calculations with ALU, move data from one memory location to another, or jump to a different address. Store. The CPU must give feedback after executing instructions. Computer hardware components work together. The electrical circuits on the board allow the components to receive power and communicate with each other. Identification of different types of storage media. There are mainly four, which are memory card, flash drive, magnetic disk, and floppy disk. A memory card acts as an electronic storage for a device, storing digital media such as photos and videos. USB flash drive is a data storage device that includes flash memory with an integrated USB interface. Magnetic disks are flat circular plates of metal or plastic coated on both sides with iron oxide. Floppy disk or floppy diskette is a type of disk storage composed of a thin and flexible disk of a magnetic storage medium. How data is presented in a computer. The zeros and ones used to represent digital data are referred to as binary digits. From this term we get the word bit that stands for binary digit. How encryption can be used to represent data. Data encryption converts data from a readable plain text format into an unreadable encoded format, also known as ciphertext. How images and sound are represented in a computer system. In order to represent an image, one method is to store it as if it were a grid of colored squares, with each color represented by a unique binary pattern. How compression can aid the storage of data, images, or sounds. To get the best out of both, it can mean that we need to reduce the file size of text, image, and audio data in order to transfer it more quickly and so that it takes up less storage space. Of the purpose of logic gates. Logic gates are used to make decisions so that electrical outputs only turn on when the correct logic sequence has been applied. Of the purpose of different types of computer network. LANs. LANs are a series of computers linked together to form a network in a circumscribed location. WANs, the technology that connects your offices, data centers, cloud applications, and cloud storages together. Of the hardware, software, and transmission media used in computer networks. The hardware components are the server, client, peer, transmission media, and connecting devices. Web technologies. All the public websites or pages that users can access on their local computers and other devices through the internet is known as World Wide Web technologies. Description of the purpose of different types of computer network topology. Physical topology describes the layout of devices and cables, and logic topology describes the way in which data is transmitted within the network, regardless of the physical layout. Bus topology is a type of network topology in which all devices are connected to a single cable called a bus. Star topology. In this design, each node is linked to a hub, switch, or computer that serves as the hub for the whole network.